Good afternoon and welcome back to your science class. This is your Chitrali ma'am and we will start with a new chapter, and that is the respiration in organisms. In this chapter, you will be able to learn the external respiration or breathing, the internal respiration or the cellular respiration, the breathing mechanism, and the aerobic and anaerobic respiration, and finally the respiration, different kinds of respiration technologies in animals and plants. In today's class, we will start with the breathing mechanism, the exhalation, inhalation, and finally the breathing rate. So children, let's enjoy the video. Breathing and breathing rate. We need oxygen for various body activities. Example, energy production in the cell. We obtain oxygen from the air around us with the help of nose and the lungs. It is then used in cells to produce the energy. The process of taking oxygen-rich air inside the body is called inhalation, and the process of throwing the air rich in carbon dioxide outside the body is called exhalation process. Together, inhalation and exhalation is called breathing. Let's now understand how breathing takes place. Air enters in the body through openings of the nose called nostrils. It flows through nasal cavity, enters in windpipe, and then gets filled in the lungs. This is inhalation. During inhalation, the muscular sheath called diaphragm situated below the lungs undergo contraction, due to which the diaphragm moves downwards and becomes flat. It causes increasement in the chest cavity. With this movement, the pressure of air outside the body becomes larger than the pressure of the air present in the lungs. To equalize the pressure, air rushes into the lungs. After absorption of oxygen from the air into the blood and release of carbon dioxide from the blood, the exhalation begins. During exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes. It moves up and decreases the chest cavity, due to which lungs get contracted. So, pressure of the air inside the lungs become greater than the outside. To equalize the pressure now, the excess air gets rushed out of the body through the nostrils, and this is called exhalation procedure. A breath is one inhalation and one exhalation. The number of times a person breathes during a minute is called his breathing rate. The rate depends on the need of oxygen, which in turn depends on the need of energy. Example, during running or heavy exercise, we need more oxygen and hence we need more energy. To obtain more oxygen, we breathe at high rate. However, when we are relaxed or sleeping, we need a little amount of oxygen and therefore little amount of energy. In such condition, the breathing rate is lower. On an average, a normal human body is breathing at a rate of 12 to 18 breaths per minute. During heavy movements, it increases up to 25 breaths per minute, but during relaxed, it can go down to 12 breaths per minute. In addition to heavy breathing, during excessive movements, we also take deep breaths. So children, I hope this is now clear to you. In the next class, we will talk about the aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Thank you.